Hi everyone, welcome to Phoenix Vocal Studio. My name is Orsi, aka Rocky. I'm the founder and head teacher of Phoenix Vocal Studio. Phoenix Vocal Studio is an international online and offline vocal school where vocal technique is taught with a holistic approach, aka looking at the whole picture. So basically, apart from the physiology of the voice, we also work on the effect of singing on your life, your mind and spirit. Whether you are a hobby singer or professional, Phoenix Vocal Studio is a place for you. If you are interested in vocal lessons, you can go to phoenixvocalstudio.com and find out more about the lessons. Or if you are someone who cannot take one-to-one vocal lessons for any reasons, you can also join to our membership site, which is called Phoenix. So Phoenix is an online voice development platform for singers and singers-to-be. Basically, you can find all the exercises what I use in my lessons on this platform. Joining our membership site gives you an instant and lifetime access to daily warm-up and vocal training exercises, several types of breathing exercises with professional technical explanations with all the details, instructions, audios and videos. So you can find everything on this platform, which I also teach on my lessons. You can also ask as many questions as you want from me. Which means you will get a teacher's feedback, which usually we don't get anywhere unless we go to a teacher. But here on this platform, on this membership site, you can get too. So whether you are a singer or singer-to-be, you can also take vocal lessons or you can join our membership site today. You can find both links below the video and you can start your training even today. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you then.